So guys, today we are going to be reviewing about the Akai MPK Mini MK3. So it is the Akai MPK Mini Mark 3. But before we move on, I would like you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our videos, share to friends and family, and also connect to us on WhatsApp by sending us hi on our WhatsApp. You see the number in the description section, and also connect to us on Viskit. You see the Viskit ID in the description section. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let's go there.
So before actually bring out the product, let's just take a look around the carton. Let's just tour around the carton. So here you can see we have the front. You can see the MPK Mini MK3 here. You can see the picture, you can see the image, and you can also see the best selling industry standard Bluetooth controller. You can see some other sort of things here because this comes with a software that's the MPC Beats, in which you can integrate music and beats. So let's take a look at the back. At the back here, you see some of the features of this thing and
Part of this Akai MPK Mini M3. So you can see some of it here. We will still come back to this. Yeah, and also you can see the MPC Beats, in which is a software just like other DAWs like the FL Studio, Ableton, and like Popular Reason. So you can see it here. For you to download this software, for you to create your music and beats, you have to make use of this link here, akaipro.com/download. So let's take a look at here. So one thing I noticed here, and that's one thing I've noticed in all other products, all other equipment in creating music. One thing I've noticed is that it always has a warning, and the warning is about cancer. So if you take a closer look at here, you see it here. Bring the camera closer here. If you read here, you can see that it can expose you to a particular type of chemical, when according to the state of California, can cause cancer, and that same thing you can see on all other equipment for making music. And if you don't know about the other equipment for making music, don't worry, you see it as an end screen at the end of this video, and you can also see it as an info card. And if you check the description section, you see the link to see it to other equipment like the FOCUSRITE, the ALCTRON, and also the Audio Technica. So guys, let's take a look at the other parts. So here we just have the name. Can you just have the name? And I think here you just have a QR code for you to scan. So you can see scan here for material and recycling details of the packaging components. So I think that's just all. So first of all, can you see this? This is a type B cable. This is a type B cable. So this is the USB cable in which you are going to use to power the Akai MPK Mini Mark 3. So this is it. So I just have to bring this out, and then we have to this. This is the main product, and it is a very powerful tool and equipment in making music. So let's just talk about some features about this product. Hey, before you continue watching this video, I want to quickly tell you about something. Have you heard about Opay before? Opay is a mobile banking app which allows you to transfer money to other banks and even Opay users, pay your bills like your electricity or cable bills, buy airtime or data to all network, and do some other transactions. When you create an account and join Opay, you get a welcome bonus of 1,200. But remember, for you to get the bonus, you must credit at least 2,000 naira from another bank. You get up to 6% cashback anytime you make a bill payment. There is free transaction and zero issues. You'll be able to get a instant and free debit card. All you need to do is for you to check the description section or the comment section for the link. Click the link and you'll be able to create your own Opay account. Now back to the video. So guys, let's just talk about some part of this this mini equipment. First of all, it has a 25 keys, in which you can see here 25 mini keys featuring new premium performance keybed. So it has just some small amount of keys, so just 25 keys. You can see the pads here, and the keys, if you don't know, the keys are velocity sensitive, and also the pads are pressure sensitive. And also we have this four-way joystick. Can you see? Four-way joystick for pitch and modulation control. We have that here. It also has an OLED display screen. So this OLED display screen tells you some things you have to know. For instance, it displays the kind of software you're using in producing your beat or music. If it's FL Studio, it displays it here. And also have this knob. It is 8 in numbers, and these knobs, I call them the 360 knobs because they don't have an ending, like you rotate forever. Can you see? It continues to rotate, it continues to rotate. And you can also see it here as the 8 endless knob. You can see it is an endless knob. You can see it's 8 endless knob to tweak your software parameters. So I think those are just a few things I'm going to talk about. It has some other things here also, but at the back, nothing much at the back. It's just as usual, caution and many more. So guys, for you to get this product, you see the link in the description section to get it on Amazon, and don't forget to leave a comment about what you feel about this product. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my videos, share to friends and family, and also leave a comment in the comment section about what you feel about this product. Is it very good for beat making? And also, to get this link, like I've said earlier, to get this product, make sure you check the description section, connect to us on Viskit and on WhatsApp. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.